believes in fighting for the right cause.
Opposition TMC leader Mukul Sangma has called for an end to the politicization of the Meghalaya police, urging that the force should not be used by any party or individual to settle personal scores. Speaking after attending a meeting of the State Security Commission, Sangma highlighted concerns over political, social and external influences on the police in the western parts of the state, particularly in the Garo Hills. He stressed that the urgent need for deterrence against such practices, warning that even competent officers are sometimes caught in a cycle of power abuse and irregularities which must be addressed.
People who don't belong to their particular, in different way, even sometimes politically also. But this trend is wrong because in our given democracy, political parties will come and go. Sometimes some political parties will be in power. Subsequently, some other political power may be in the power. But what is required to be avoided is because this trend, if allowed to continue, then the perception of the people will be such that okay, we can manipulate and we can misuse this power if we are in the government. Let us put an end to that thoughts and ideas.